touch play students. So this is the recording for fourth day. Okay, so we did a new conversation. How old are you? In Tibetan, 걔랑 로 같이 임. So answer should be nga lo sumju yin. You can say your age. Okay, and then also we can ask in honorific 걔랑 궁로 같이 임. And then answer should be same. Nga lo sumju yin. Okay, this is the new conversation. And then, so today topic we did 10 suffixes. Okay, so 10 suffixes in Tibetan, Jinju, Ju. So we called it Jenjuk, and in English it's a suffix. So we call it Jenjuk because these 10 letters are always stained or put next to your main letter, after your main letter. So we call it Jenjuk, okay? So they are Ka, Nga, Tha, Na, Pa, Ma, A, Ra, La, Sa. So these are 10 suffixes. Okay, next, when we attach it with main letter, the sound. Okay, so see here. So ka, nga, and pa, ma, a, ra. And these black letters, which I put a black color, these are remain same sound. And tha, na, la, sa. These are change the sound of suffix. Okay, for example, see here. First one, ka, ka, kak. Okay, ka, ka, kak. So ka sound is there, right? And then ya, kigu, yik, ka, yik. Okay, and then next, kao, ya, shibju, yuk, ka, yuk. Okay, next, ta, dingbo, tek, ka, tek. Next, la, naro, lok, ka, lok. So ka sound is there, okay? And then suffix nga, jinjuk nga, ka nga, kang, tao pa nga, pang, rakigu ring nga, ring, la shabju lung nga, lung, ya dangbo yeng nga, yeng, sanaro song nga, song. So there is so nga sound is we can hear at the end, right? So and then ta makes a different sound. It's a sound, short. Okay, for example, see here, ka ta ke okay, la ta le, cha ki gu ji ta ji, la shep ju lu ta lu, ka dang bo ke ta ke, ya na ro ye ta ye. So see sound, and of course with the vowels, it will change. Ki gu I, shep ju u, dang bo na ro o. Okay, anyway, sound short. And then na sound will change to n sound. Okay, see here. Ga na ken, kao sa na sen, cha ki gu jin na jin en, cha shep ju chun na chun un, la dang bo len na len, kao ya na ro yun na yun. Okay, and then pa is remain same. Ka pa kap, la pa lap, ya ki gu yip pa yip, sha shup ju shup pa shup, la dang bo lep pa lep, ka na ro kop pa kop, ma. kama, come. Okay, and then sama, some. 타키구, 팀, 마, 팀. 샤십주, shum, 마, shum. 사당보, 셈, 마, 셈. 가나로, 곰, 마, 곰. So, ma remains same also. Ma sound is there. And also remain their sound at the end, okay? For example here, tao, ga, ga. Pao, second one, pao, cha, cha, like this. Okay, then ra, same. Ka, ra, kar. Ao, pa, ra, par. Ao, dakigu, di, ra, dir. Ao, pashabju, pu, ra, pur. Okay, and then 타댕보, 테, 라, 텔. Okay, then 카옥, 따나로, tor, ra, tor. So see, ra sound is at the end, right? Okay, now la sound is come like L sound, okay? For example here, ka, la, kel, okay? Then kaok, sa, la, sel, L, okay? Mau, takigu, til, la, til. Yashebju, yul, la, yul. Aok, padengbo, pel, la, pel. Kanaro, kel, la, kel, okay? And then sa sound. So sa is a sound, but it's longer than ta sound, okay? So see, ka, sa, ke, kao, na, sa, ne. Mao, cha, kigu, chi, sa, chi. La, shabju, lu, sa, lu. Madingbo, me, sa, me, okay? And then 차나로 최사 최. Okay, so see, like this, a like this, a sound but long.